Hello everyone, in this video how to align text to a shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already opened to this file, create a new layer and type text, align text and again create a new layer, right click on your mouse, use shape tool, example use rectangle, shape, then draw on a shape, method on, select shape and text, press Ctrl align, hold shift, okay, then position, hold Ctrl, select text and shape layer and see this align center, right, left, or use horizontally, hold Ctrl again, up, down, middle and use center, text color white, inside, hold Ctrl again, apply the same process, center or and align multiple shape and multiple text, double click, select all layer, text and shape, then align left, right, middle and distribute vertical center, or again apply the same process for horizontal, hold shift, select, up, down, distribute, fix size. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.